सौम्या तुला दिसते का तुझ्या केसांमुळे? Yeah, everybody is here. Fine. So you have, this is called as pin or skewer. Okay, here more than two pieces are involved and attack is in one line. Now here, when a smaller piece is ahead and bigger piece is back, that is called as, we call it as a pin. When I say a word pin, means आपके नजरों के सामने क्या आता है usually? What do you mean by pin? Pin means something you hold together. Hair pin, it is holding the hairs together. Then paper pin, holding papers together. There are different kinds of pins which hold things together. So here also it is called as a pin because now this pawn is restricted to move, नहीं तो king मर जाएगा. Pawn cannot move at all, illegal. It is illegal move. So that means it is a pin. Pawn is pinned. Is it very clear? Very clear to you, all of you? Perfect. So the first move is attacking the one which is not having any support. This is also a principle in chess. क्या करना है चेस में, क्या खेलना है और क्यों खेलना है? पहले जिसको सपोर्ट नहीं उसके ऊपर अटैक करो, उसको खत्म करो. The piece which is not supported, you attack it. So here it was not supported, so you attack. Now black has got many response possible. Okay. One way is it will go back. Here is very bad, directly you will hit it. So this is very bad. Even this is also very bad and this is also very bad. You are leaving the support. So the correct supporting move could be this one or this one or from here this one. 3. Out of which whatever white do, this over here. Next attack. If black comes over here, still next attack. Now if this moves, it will go. And if this moves over here, still it will go. Or this will go. Either way. Are you getting this? Now black has got one more option, not to move this. यहाँ पर आया तो भी check है. ऐसे यहाँ से check आएगा. So this, if moves here, then this goes. So black has one option. keep this situation like this and move ahead. So what you will move now, everybody?
Move the rook from h1 to e1.
H1 to E1. Okay, let us go with this pawn. This movement, everybody pay attention. Now this is unsupported and you have attacked. Support. And now if you give check, another support will come. Similar situation and nothing can be done. If you do it here, this will come again over here. So this is a bad move. This is a bad move. This was here.
Sir, we
Yes.
should take the rook to h1 to f1.
H1 to F1. Perfect. You continue the attack. That's all. ये यहाँ पर भी आएगा ना. See यहाँ पर next move. Still you can take this and give check. There is a check immediately. So this cannot come here. You understand that? So in this check, wherever it goes, if it goes over here, check. Goes over here, check. Or from this check, it goes over here, check. Goes over here, check. Goes over, because it will try to be here only to attack. If it tries to go over here, na, it is very easy for you then. Check. And then double rook. Double attack. Or from here to here also. Pinning. It cannot move. It is pin. And then double attack. And you kill it. दुश्मन को अकेला अकेला करके मारो. बात खत्म. दोनों सब दुश्मन कंबाइंड है तो उनको सेपरेट करो और मारो. Then the regular checkmate is there. I hope you have understood this concept. मैंने checkmate का concept सिखाते सिखाते कुछ और भी concept आपको सिखाए हैं. And that was the most primitive concept, checkmate with 2 rooks. Now, if this is very clear to you, your one exercise homework is that you keep on board. Board is with you. Many of you are having board. You keep 2 rooks anywhere on the board. Aradhya, Aradhya. Where is Aradhya? Aradhya, you didn't understand, beta.
सर नेटवर्कचाच प्रॉब्लेम असल्यामुळे बरंच आमचं लेक्चर जरा मिस होतंय.
नाही नाही, मी रेकॉर्ड करतोय, डोंट वरी, मी पाठवून देतो तुम्हाला.
चालेल चालेल सर, थँक्यू.
कम्प्लीट रेकॉर्डिंग झालेलं आहे. आपलं युट्यूबचं एक पिनाकल अकॅडमी म्हणून आमच्या अकॅडमीचं चॅनल झालंय तयार. त्याच्यावर तुम्हाला ते रेकॉर्डिंग
चालेल चालेल, थँक्यू.
त्याच्यावर तुम्ही गेलात की आजची तारीख असेल आणि टायमिंग असेल आणि सेशन 1 मध्ये पार्ट 1 आणि पार्ट 2. सेशन 1 आपला दोनदा होता ना, ते त्याच्यात पार्ट 1 आणि पार्ट 2 तुम्हाला दिसेल. इनफॅक्ट लास्ट 2-3 दिवस सगळीच रेकॉर्ड करतोय. सगळीच टाकत नाही मी युट्यूबवर. कोणाला प्रॉब्लेम आला तरच टाकतो. तर आता मी हे सेशन नक्की टाकेन, डोंट वरी. ओके,
थँक्यू.
सो मला म्हणायचंय, तुम्ही तुमच्या बोर्डवर 2 रूक घ्यायचे, कुठेही ठेवायचे. समोरच्याचा राजा कुठेही ठेवायचा. 2 पॉन्स ते सेपरेट नाही ठेवायची, मात्र दोन्ही कनेक्टेड पाहिजेत, एकमेकांना सपोर्ट पाहिजे आणि ठेवायची. आणि मूव्स तुमच्या तुम्ही करायचा. व्हाईट कडनं पण तुम्हीच खेळायचं, ब्लॅक कडनं पण तुम्हीच खेळायचं. दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज. व्हाईट कडनं खेळताना टोटली व्हाईटचा विचार करायचा. चिटिंग अलाउड नाही. म्हणजे कारण तुम्ही व्हाईटने त्याला हरवताय, मग ब्लॅकने मुद्दामून चुकीची मूव्ह करायची, असं नाही करायचं. यू अंडरस्टूड दॅट चिटिंग इज नॉट अलाउड. ही तुम्हाला होमवर्क म्हणून प्रॅक्टिस आहे सगळ्यांना. आता आय एम कमिंग टू checkmate with one rook, and you will find this is much easier. ह्याला आपण उडवून देऊ. आता एकटा रूक कॅनॉट मेट. चेक दिला तर हा जवळ येतो, हा जवळ मला तर मारेल. सो एकटा रूक तर काही करू शकत नाही. याच्याकरता तुम्हाला दुसऱ्या राजाची मदत घ्यावी लागते कंपल्सरी. ओके, आता हा चेकमेट. फर्स्ट आय विल शो यू द पोझिशन ऑफ चेकमेट. This is the position of the checkmate. End. You have to achieve this position. So this position can be achieved at any way, anywhere. Okay, anywhere, irrespective of this side. But here again, social distancing, very important. This distance has to be maintained, and this distance also has to be maintained, 1 square, because this king cannot come over here, this will kill. So दोनों king ने एक दूसरे को पकड़ के रखा है. We say that we have kept the enemy at bay. That is the thing, that is the expression. You keep your another king at bay. If this is the situation, this is not a checkmate, because this can go over here now. Move. तो एक किंग को दूसरे किंग को पकड़ने के लिए बराबर सामने होने की जरूरत है. Very important. This is one thing you have to remember. If this is in the corner, what will happen? This is also a checkmate, and यहाँ पर this is also a checkmate, because here this king has to catch only 2 squares. ये बाहर तो नहीं जा सकता है बोर्ड के. सो उसके लिए बराबर सामने रहने की जरूरत नहीं है 2 स्क्वायर के लिए. 3 स्क्वायर जब रहेंगे 3, तो ही आपको किंग के सामने किंग की जरूरत है. और यहाँ पर तो 2 ही स्क्वायर है सिर्फ, तो एग्जैक्ट सामने नहीं भी रहेगा और यहाँ रहेगा तो भी चलेगा. बट दिस इज कॉमन. चेक फ्रॉम बैक रैंक और लास्ट रैंक, as near as possible or as far as possible, no issues, anywhere. First you understood this situation. This is checkmate. All of you, if you have assimilated, understood this situation, then only I will proceed. This is what check, and यहाँ पर नहीं जा सकता है, और यहाँ दोनों स्क्वायर्स राजा ने पकड़े हैं when in corner, and when here it is like this. So 3 स्क्वायर राजा पकड़ता है और ये 2 स्क्वायर ये पकड़ते हैं. Any doubt over there? Any doubt? Parth has not understood. Acha, no doubt. No doubt. Okay. Okay. No doubt, you said no. Fine. Shambhavi एकदम स्थिर ना झाली. Camera is not working. Purvi, thumbs up everybody if you have understood. Wow. Very good. Soumya, very good. Shubhankar कळलं का रे बाळा? Shubhankar.
Oh, sir.
Very good. Excellent. So now we will move ahead. I hope that I am not very fast.
Sir,
हो बाळा. काय रे?
screen नव्हता दिसत.
हा, आता स्क्रीन दिसतोय.
हा.
हा, ओके. नाही दोघांचं म्हणजे तेव्हा मी काढलेलाच होता ना सगळ्यांचा. Now this is the situation starting. For example, okay, this is not an easy situation. Every time I take easy and I give you a difficult one, it is not like that. This is a difficult situation because both are awake. Now what you have to do is, first of all, king and rook should be near. King and rook should be near. With the support of each other, they move ahead. This is number one principle. Number two principle is same. You have to restrict this king to as few squares as possible. For example, if this is here, it will restrict his movement. King cannot come over here. No, cannot go over here. Cannot go over here. Okay, even it can go here, but not here. So restricting. If it comes over here, again restricting. So you have to restrict. उसके जितने squares आप कम करते जाएंगे, उतना अच्छा है. तभी आप उसको जीत पाएंगे. Center of the board, you will never be able to mate him. You have to take him to the border. Very clear? So in the given situation, the first move would be not this. First move would be this. Taking king. Now this king, what it is doing? It is restricting here, here. ये तो सवाल नहीं आता है, but here and here, this king cannot come. You understood? So the first move for the black would be this. Black will try to remain in these squares. This is center. If these squares are not possible, then this. If these are not possible, then this line. And when there is no possibility, then only it will go to the last line. You understood? Good. So king will try to come over here. Now the next move will be this, or even this will also do. Now restricting this, simple. अभी किंग के पास ओनली ये इतना ही एरिया बचा है. ये एरिया किंग जा ही नहीं सकता है. So where king will go? King will try to remain in the center. Okay. So next move will be not this, क्योंकि ये अगर किया ना तो ये यहाँ घुस जाएगा, क्योंकि आपने लाइन पकड़ा है, वो लाइन छोड़ना नहीं है आपको. So this will come over here. This will try to come over here, trying to remain in the center. Next move. Now restricting this. अभी और स्क्वायर कम हो गए, नीचे के स्क्वायर कम हो गए. अभी ये कहाँ जाएगा? ये या तो यहाँ जाएगा या तो यहाँ जाएगा. This is in the center, so mostly he will remain in the center. Again, this moves ahead. See, both are in touch with each other. Both are. Cannot kill. Restriction. उसके स्क्वायर्स अब और भी कम हो गए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसको कोरोना हुआ है और उसको बिल्डिंग के अंदर रख दिया है. इस तरह से उसके मूवमेंट्स को रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया है. फाइन. So this will either move over here or here. Anywhere is okay. If this moves over here, now king will come up. Now this cannot move over here. ये kill करेगा. And this should not give check. As I said, जो line लिया है ना आपने, उसको छोड़ना नहीं है. King के सहारे धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ना है. So this is not correct. This is correct. Again, this will come to remain in the center. This will try to come ahead. See, dead opposite. King opposite other king is most important. So white king has achieved. So what this can do? This can go over here. Again restrict. और भी उसके एरिया उसका कम हो गया. पहले इतना था, अभी ये हो गया. ओके, ये एरिया हो गया, ये नहीं. So this will either go over here or go over here. If it goes over here, और भी restrict हो जाएगा. And if it goes over here, अभी ये restriction बराबर है, लेकिन again no support. So you bring the support. King के सामने king. If this goes over here, और उसको कम करो. If it comes over here now, अभी क्या करेंगे? इसको छोड़ेंगे तो ये मर जाएगा. तो इसको क्या करेंगे? वापस, this is we call it as a waiting move. इसको दूर जाने के लिए वेटिंग मूव है। यहाँ पर गया तो ये सामने आ जाएगा और यहाँ पर गया तो अगेन यू आर रिस्ट्रिक्टिंग। जैसे जैसे चांस मिलेगा वैसे वैसे उसको पीछे पीछे धक्का दे दो और कुछ नहीं, विदाउट गिविंग चेक. No check is required. If this goes over here, you can come over here. If it goes over here again, you can come again. King के सामने king goes over here. Okay. Goes over here. Okay. Now, once you achieve this position, now this has only 2 squares movement only. You have to keep this position. You do not by mistake take your rook over here any time, any given time. What will happen? It will be a stalemate. For example, after this goes over here, you come over here, this goes over here, okay, you come over here, this goes over here, and you keep this restricting. But this is a stalemate. Now, no check, it cannot move, it becomes a draw. So this position you don't have to achieve. So never keep rook like this. Okay. Once you have achieved this position, only restricting to 2, your task is just see what I am doing. It is white's turn here, goes over here. White's turn goes over here. Now you have this with you. Now there is only one move, waiting move we say. अभी यहाँ पर किया मैंने, क्यों? ये यहाँ पर नहीं जा सकता है, यहाँ नहीं जा सकता, यहाँ नहीं जा सकता. The only possibility is this. Check and mate. Everybody understood this? Slowly गया, लेकिन this is very easy basically. 2 rooks में confusion हो जाता है. यहाँ पर confusion नहीं, आपको खाली उसको कॉर्नर में लेके जाओ उसको, और कॉर्नर में लेके जाने के बाद ये पोजीशन को आपको आना है. इसमें कभी कभी कैसा होता है, देखो, I will show you this again. This is the position. Supposing this is black's chance. Black plays this, you play this. Black plays this, you bring it over here. आपने सामने लाया. Now it is black's chance to go in the corner and you give checkmate. Easy. पहले कैसा हुआ था, थोड़ा उल्टा हुआ था. It is white's chance. White came over here. Now if you come over here, ये इधर जाता है. If you come over here, ये इधर जाता है. तो क्या करने का? That is why that waiting move is there. So this over here, this over here, sorry, this over here, waiting move. There is another way of waiting move. I will show you. This over here, this over here. No, sorry. It was like this, no? This over here, this over here, this over here. Forget about support. No support because nobody is killing. This comes over here. Now you come over here. Now support is there. It has to go over. Check and mate. There is a 2 way of waiting move. Waiting move concept थोड़ा difficult है understanding में. But waiting move means you have to wait till opponent makes a mistake. Opponent comes to a favorable position for you. Opponent की position खराब होने का इंतजार करो. That is we call it as a waiting move. I have explained now. So practically we have to do these things. So tomorrow's session we are going to do practically. Now you just tell me how many of you have mouse with you, and if you can move the mouse. Laptop connected with the mouse, and if you can move the mouse. See what I can do now. I can give mouse control to each of you. So when I say it is your move, you can move that. Simply grab. Those who has the game on your net or PC or laptop, you just try something with any game you can open, any app you can open, and try the movements with your mouse or your keyboard. If it is easier for you, then I can give the mouse control. It is possible with the keyboard also, no issues. Yeah, and if you don't have, then you can speak. What I will tomorrow do, I will make 2 teams. One team will defend and one team will actually mate. Is it okay? Team wise, both the teams will get the chance to mate each other.
सर माझ्याकडे नाहीये.
काही हरकत नाही बाळा, त्यावेळेला तुला बोलून सांगितलंस तरी चालेल ना तुझ्या कॅप्टनला. तुझ्या टीमचा जो कोणी कॅप्टन असेल, आपण कोणाला तरी कॅप्टन करू आणि त्याला सांगायचं तुझी मूव कोणती, नेक्स्ट मूव. तुला फक्त मूव सांगायची आहे आणि मूव तर आपल्याला सांगता येते, कोणता पीस कोणत्या स्क्वेअर मध्ये जातो. नाईट मूव्स टू B2 एवढंच सांगायचं आहे. नाईट मूव्स टू C2, नाईट मूव्स टू C5, वॉट एव्हर. नेम ऑफ द स्क्वेअर अँड नेम ऑफ द पीस, दॅट इज व्हॉट इज रिक्वायर्ड. सर प्लीज मूव दैट, ये सब जरूरत नहीं है. डोंट यूज अननेसेसरी वर्ड्स, फॉरगेट इट. Knight or king, whatever move you have to piece you have to move, take the name of that piece and take the name of the square. Enough. सौम्य समजलं तुला? शुभंकर समजलं? Perfect. So tomorrow we are going to practically learn this by playing with you, and you will be playing with each other. आने के बाद एक 2-3 मिनट में मैं आपका टीम बना दूंगा टॉस करके. You have to choose your team. Okay, I will just decide the captains. That's all. विश्वास, तुझ्याकडे माउस आहे ना? माउस मूवमेंट इफ पॉसिबल तुझ्या लॅपटॉपला माउस जोडून घे.
टचपॅड आहे, टचपॅड. हा सेम आहे, सेम आहे.
टचपॅड. हा म्हणजे मग तुला एक कॅप्टन करता येईल आणि दुसरं कदाचित मी किन्नरी किंवा अथर्वला करीन, कारण दे आर एल्डर अँड दे कॅन मूव एव्हरीथिंग. ओके, चलो. सो टुडे यू लाईक द सेशन? फर्स्ट क्लास? एन्जॉयड?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
होमवर्क सांगितलंय तो करायचा आहे.
Yes, sir.
दोन
हो, sir.
होमवर्क करायचं आहे. कळतंय? बाय बाय. किन्नरी तू थांब फक्त, बाकीच्या सगळ्यांनी गेलात तरी चालेल. बाय बाय.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir. Take care, sir.
Bye, sir.
बाय
Good
बाय.
night.
गुड नाईट.
Bye, sir. Sir.
Good night, sir.
विश्वास, विश्वास,
Sir. Bye, sir.
विश्वास लवकर गेला.
Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
गुड नाईट. गुड नाईट.